Now you can come down. There's your wee Bob. Won't be long we'll be moving in. Hallelujah. Another update on our house. Front walls are just about in. The front walls are the entrance. Doorway, window in the master bedroom. Right now we have an 8-foot balcony. We're going to spin it out, extend it out another 4 to 6 feet. And it'll all be covered so I can do my barbecue here and have a elliptical machine and some other weight machine maybe. And they're coming right along. They're got the south wall in. South wall's all in. The back wall's all in. The north wall's all in. So we're going to be in here by the first week of October. Sleeping in a tent maybe, but we'll be here. There's our faithful carpenter, concrete man. Yes. So this is going to be the master bedroom here, and we'll have a master bathroom over there with bath, shower, toilet. This is going to be the living room. This is going to be the living room, dining room area actually. Then over here is going to be the guest room. It's supposed to be kitchen, but I guess the kitchen's going to move over this way. So it's not big, but it'll be nice. It'll be very nice. Got a slot for aircon there. We're going to have to put an aircon in our room. She made a slot for it. We're going to have to put a wall unit in for a while, but once we get all settled in, then we're going to get a good aircon. But so we can get moved in, we're going to have a small through the wall. So one of the next projects is going to be getting the roof up. When the roof's up, then we'll finish off our bedroom and the kitchen and our bathroom, and we'll be ready to move in. Right, wife? What do you say? Right, wife? Thumbs up? Hey, thumbs up? Yeah, thumbs up. Thumbs up, worker? Thumbs up? Yeah? Oh yeah. He says he can do it.